Are we witnessing the end of YouTube as we know it? If you're a creator on this platform, you can't afford to miss this. YouTube's new CEO has just unveiled his vision for the platform in 2024. It's essentially his house and his rules. And you want to align with those, right? So here are the 4 main insights from this open letter to creators. And as you might imagine, I've got some thoughts. It sounds like Neil Mohan, the big boss at YouTube, wants to go all in with AI content, but at the same time level the playing field for all creators. You may not be aware of this, but YouTube already has tons of AI experiments in the works. One of them is Dream Screen, something I have to say very slowly because I've messed up this take a dozen times already. This lets you whip up AI generator backgrounds for YouTube Shorts. So think popcorn, volcanoes, popcorn coming out of volcanoes, disco forests, whatever you can imagine through AI will generate it in its unique AI way. And it's not just about the visuals either. YouTube are also looking at how they can amp up the creative process for musicians via the Music AI Incubator. They've even shared a sneak peek with Dream Track. So what does this all mean for YouTubers like you? Well, to their credit, and YouTube have always tried to do this, they're making things fair for everybody. These are going to be AI tools that everyone can use, not just tech wizards or creators with huge budgets. One of the reasons I love YouTube so much is that there's very low barriers to entry. As long as you've got one of these and an internet connection, you can start a YouTube channel, and AI just opens up more creative opportunities. But the big question is your interpretation of AI going to align with YouTube's? Many would argue that AI content has already flooded YouTube to the detriment of the platform. In a harmless sense, it's just automated dross that satisfies no viewers. But at its worst, AI content misleads, misinforms, and scams viewers. YouTube have announced plans to curb these issues, but they haven't given us any details yet. Stay tuned for them. And on the flip side of the discussion, many creators who are embracing AI are coming up against YouTube resistance when they post AI content on the platform. As always, there's going to be a bit of tension between YouTube, viewers, creators, and advertisers, and the tension that's being pulled this time is AI. Now then, you may fundamentally hate this next observation, but it's probably true. YouTube is no longer just about content from major studios or individual creators. Yes, in one sense, YouTube is no longer YouTube. Today, viewers want everything in one place, from live sport to educational content. And they're watching YouTube more and more like traditional television, with friends and family on a big screen. Now, the numbers here are incredible. Globally, viewers are watching YouTube on television for more than 1 billion hours every single day. And on top of that, YouTube TV has more than 8 million subscribers. And in the last 3 years, the number of top creators getting most of their watch hours from television has shot up by 400%. For more than a decade, this has been the king of YouTube. But is that going to be the case in the future? Now, this doesn't necessarily mean that you should start recording 20-minute episodes that you can turn into TV box sets for viewers to binge on, although you can certainly try, according to Paddy Galloway's very wise words. No, the really, really weird thing is that a lot of people are watching YouTube Shorts on a big TV, which I don't think anybody can quite get their head around. And of course, there's always at least one person keeping a key eye on the financial implications of a shift in viewers towards TV. So this thought can be boiled down into perhaps a very simple question. Are you watching more YouTube on TV? If you are, you're not the only one, and where viewers go, creators follow. Another place viewers are flocking to in their billions, and much to the annoyance of many people, is YouTube Shorts. The numbers here are quite frankly staggering. Shorts are averaging 70 billion daily views. Now just think about that for a second. It is the equivalent of every single person on the planet doing this 9 times a day. Someone's watching a lot of shorts. And the number of channels uploading YouTube Shorts has increased by 50%. It's no longer a question of if YouTube Shorts are here to stay, but more of, is YouTube Shorts the biggest part of YouTube as a whole? At this stage of the game, I'm beyond trying to convince you whether or not you should make YouTube Shorts or not. The early movers advantage has clearly passed. You either create shorts or you don't. But if you do, educate yourself on how to make the best ones. Just don't expect much ad revenue from them. However, when it comes to revenue as a whole, YouTube is still the undisputed champion of the creative industries. There are now over 3 million creators in the YouTube Partner Program. That's more people who work for Amazon and Apple combined. And in the last 3 years, YouTube has paid out $70 billion to creators. And creators are more than just YouTubers. They are entrepreneurs, business owners. And YouTube recognizes that and continues to attempt to diversify income streams. And this applies to even the smallest of channels due to the new monetization requirements that allow you to take advantage of fan funding and channel membership. As a result of that particular move, creators using channel membership has increased 50%. So we've all known this for a long time, but it still remains true. YouTube is the most stable platform on the internet to become financially sustainable from your creative endeavors. But it does still have its challenges. Not all creators fit nicely into this monetization program. Some topics are still in a gray area. Other topics such as AI, which as we've heard YouTube wants to embrace, is causing problems. And then there are still these unexplained glitches that I don't really know how to address. Look, YouTube definitely has its challenges, as does every other social platform on the internet. But time and time again, YouTube seems to figure it out and comes out of these challenges in a bigger and better state. It is an incredible time to have an idea and a voice and share it with the world. And YouTube allows you to do that. Because opportunities like this simply didn't exist 20 years ago. And YouTube changed my life, and I want it to change your life too. So if you are thinking of starting a channel in 2024, or you just want to give this whole YouTube thing another try, there's never been a better time. And these videos will help you do just that.